Hello WordPress peoples. In this video I'm gonna share how I create WordPress sites on my local as well as how I migrate a live site to my local site. So let's get started. So this is my bash script I have created for me. Basically I use MEMP for my WordPress development. Generally I use Docker as well, but mostly I use MEMP. So what I did, I use WP-CLI and bash script. So I created a bash script, and in this bash scripts, I use WP-CLI commands to make site generation and site migration faster. As well as I can remove the site from my local as well using bash script. So you don't need to manually remove the database and manually delete the folder and all of the stuff. So let's get started with setting up a new site. So for that, I'm gonna open terminal. Yeah, of course. So yeah, this is my folder. I'm gonna share this link in the description section so that you can also utilize this as per your system. So yeah, this is my folder bash scripts. So now I'm gonna set up a new WordPress site on my local server. So first of all, let's confirm MEMP is started, and yeah, so let's create new site. So we have to run this file, set up WP on my local. You can give the name as per your requirement. So once you hit enter, you just need to add a folder name of your site. So I'm gonna add a new site, and also I want to migrate a website which I'm gonna work on my local. So first let me give the name of the site. So it's a dbt path. So that's my new project name. So it started downloading WordPress. So the site is configured, it's ready to launch, it's all installed. Username and password is this, and it is asking me whether I want to open that in your default browser or not. So let's say yes, and my site is up and running. Let's confirm the username password. So that's admin, and yeah, so like it took hardly 30 seconds to set up a WordPress site on your local server. So that's a fresh installation. Now what I'm gonna do that in this in this fresh WordPress install, I want to add one of my clients, migrate one of my clients site so that I can work on that locally. So for that, I have already downloaded three things: plugin, theme, and database. Now there is one folder which is I use to set this migration data. So for example, to set up a website, a live website to our local, we need three things: plugin, themes, and database. There is one more thing, uploads, but I don't prefer upload because sometimes it might get very big file. So I just migrate plugin, themes, and database, and uploads folder. I just manually download and place it to the WP content if needed. Otherwise, generally I don't need uploads folder on my local setup. Now the thing is, I have defined the naming of these things. So plugin zip should be plugins.zip, themes should be themes.zip, and database should be db.sql. So this is a dedicated folder where my migration script pick this thing from here, and it will place at the related place after migration. So now this site is looking, this is just a fresh WordPress site. And now I'm going to migrate my client's website. So again, get back to this and let's run this script, migrate WP. So bash and migrate wp.sh. So now I'm going to hit enter. Now here we have to enter the site's name which we just installed. So I'm gonna add the folder name again, which is this. So it started transferring the plugins.zip and themes.zip. Now it is resetting the previous DB. So yes, we want to reset this, and now it is importing the database which we just placed over that particular folder. So let's wait for this. Okay, so now we got an error of table prefix, and it says that site has this much prefix. But first, let's confirm which prefix exactly we should use. So I'm gonna open the PHP myadmin, and yeah, database name will be the same as the folder name we defined. So I'm gonna open options table. I see multiple options tables, so let's open both options. So the correct one will be the one with where we have this option site URL. Just confirm that yeah, this doesn't have um, the site URL. So yeah, this is the correct table prefix. So what I'm gonna do that I will open htdocs folder, and in that, yeah, this is the site which is just created, and I'm gonna open the Sublime. Yeah, I still use Sublime for the quick edit, so I'm gonna use this prefix now. Now the error says once we change the prefix, please try again. So I'm gonna add I'm gonna run this migration script again. I'm gonna pass the same folder name, and yeah, it is started migrating again. So again, it will ask for reset the database. So I will reset it, and it will import the database again. And as this is the CLI, so doesn't matter how big your database is, it is not gonna time out. So database is imported. Now it is checking the table prefix. It's done. Now we got this site URL, and it has replaced the site URL as well from the database. Now it is asking us to open the site. So I'm gonna say yes. So let's open the site, and our site is migrated. So yeah, this is how I use to migrate the sites. Now also I have created, let me close this. I have created removing the site safely so that it removes everything that including files and database. So let me check if I have any extra site to remove so that I can show you. Okay, I can remove this test site. So okay, this is okay. Let's just quickly create new site and remove it. So I'm gonna say bash setup and test bb. So yeah, test bb is created. Now I'm gonna remove the same site, bash remove. So we have to pass the folder name, so it will be test bb. It will ask for the confirmation, so say yes, and it says deleting site, database is deleted, files are deleted, and everything is deleted. So yeah, these are the bash scripts I have created. This is nothing, just a series of CLI command. I just put it in a single file where and just provided as a bash script, so that we just have to execute this only once. So as you can see, creating WordPress site is like less than 30 seconds. Migrating will be depend on the size of the site you are migrating, but yeah, it is not gonna like take more than like how big your file site would be. So it is not gonna take more than 1 minute, and then removing will be easy, as it is again gonna take, I mean, hardly 10 seconds. So yeah, um, you can use this script if you want. And yeah, if you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Jai Somnath, Har Har Mahadev. Hey there, so if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would recommend to visit this site, the WP-CLI.com. This site has very good tips and tricks regarding the Gutenberg development. Thank you.